Hi everyone, I am here with a quick tutorial to share with you all something that you could do in your spare time while you're watching TV in the evenings if you have a few moments or whatnot. You can even get the kids involved in this one. What I do is I use little the toilet paper rolls, or paper towel rolls you could even do. I do the toilet paper because they're the right diameter for me, and I cut them each into 4, so you can get 8 ornaments out of this, and super easy. I take some scrap yarn I have. Right now I have some cotton, leftover cotton, and I cut them out into 12-inch pieces. Now this is super simple. All you have to do is fold your string in half, so you have your looped end and your 2 loose ends. They do not have to be perfect, but keep them close in length. We're going to take one of our rolls and stick the loop end through and pull this side through, and you want to keep all the ends together. So you see how that is looped over the edge? You get double strand here, so you do double thickness, and they're all looped. And now you can stay with the same color, or you could create a pattern with your colors, whatever you choose, or it could just be completely random with all the scraps you got. This is a great scrappy project, and they make cute little gifts, or even they make cute ornaments for gifts or cute toppers. And you're just going to go all the way around pushing them together. You want to make sure that they do not overlap or stay separated. You just want to keep them close together, and you're going to go all the way around. Okay, once you do that, I will show you what's next. So what I did is I went all the way around in the pattern of black and white, one of each, and you can see it's full, lots of strings here. And now you could tie them up this way to make like a cute little hat. However, the detail here kind of looks a little weird, so what I like to do is take the yarns and try to push that knot into the inside some, and you push all those strands down in. We're going to push them out the other side, okay, and shake it out so they stay straight and not get all lost in there on you. But you definitely want those little slip knots that we have put in there to be towards the inside, so we have a nice clean edge for the bottom of our little hat. And there you go, and stand that up and see. So you make sure that our strands are all straight, and then we're going to gather them together and push through the center with your fingers and go probably about an inch up from the toilet paper roll, and we're going to take another thread, another loose thread, and we are going to tie that off. Now I will do another slip knot here, and just wrapping them around just like we were around that toilet paper roll, just to make a slip knot, just so it's easier for you guys to see. And you can tie a little bow there, or you can leave that thread, tie a knot at the end, and that can become your hanger. I like to add the silver and gold hangers after, and I will just do that when I go to put them on my tree. But right there you have a cute little hat, and this can be your pom-pom. So if you've never seen how to make one, you just have to trim it, you flatten it out, and then we're going to cut it like a curve, like the top of a curved fingernail. And you could take a little at a time, so this way it's not too much, so you know, not too scared. But you even it up just a little bit, and then we can fluff it. And then you can trim down the sides if you like, but I think it's pretty cute just like that. But it's super cute, quick little ornament you can have the children doing, and they could be little gift tags, so everybody can have their own colors on their packages, or they make just cute little hat ornaments for your tree. And like I said, you could do this in a bow, or we can knot this off and make it a hanger. Your choice. Thank you guys for joining me today with this scrappy little project I wanted to share with you all, and I had been asked for the tutorial for, and I haven't had a chance, but finally got to it, so I wanted to share it. Hope you all enjoyed it, and leave your comments below, and I'll be happy to get back to you at my earliest convenience. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.